At our Thanksgiving feast yesterday, we ate a lot of turkey. دوێنێ لە جەژنی سپاسگوزاریمان زۆر قەڵمان خوارد. So I was reminded of this American idiom that I wanted to teach you. What does it mean when Americans say to go cold turkey? مانای چوونی قەڵی سارد چییە بە ئینگلیزی ئەمریکی? This means to quit something immediately and in a sudden way. واتە واز لە هێنانی شتێک بە شێوازێکی یەکسەر و لەپەر. A few years ago, I decided to quit coffee to see if it would help with my anxiety. At that time, I was drinking maybe 3 or 4 cups of coffee every day. I tried to quit cold turkey. I decided to stop drinking any coffee at all. That day, I had very bad headaches and I felt terrible. So I decided that quitting coffee gradually was a better way. The origin of the idiom cold turkey is probably from Canada, where in the 1800s, cold could mean direct and to talk turkey could mean to speak plainly.